NVIDIA stock dropped 13% while Google stock increased 12%. Is Google winning the AI race or NVIDIA bubble finally popping? Should I sell my NVIDIA stock and buy Google stock? But before you panic sell or buy, you need to hear the full story. In the next 4 minutes, I'm breaking down exactly what you need to know. Did Google just steal NVIDIA's crown? Why are thousands of NVIDIA shareholders selling? What the hell are the TPUs and can they beat GPUs? And my honest predictions for 2026. Did Google dethrone NVIDIA? Absolutely not. NVIDIA is still the biggest company in the world with around 80% of the AI chip market. Google's TPUs are growing fast, especially for specific AI workloads. The crown hasn't changed hands, but Google just entered the ring as a serious contender. So why are NVIDIA shareholders selling? There's definitely some investment switching from NVIDIA to Google happening right now. Many people think NVIDIA is the main AI bubble that's gonna pop, but here's my honest take. I'm still holding my NVIDIA stocks. I already had some Google stock too, but I have to be honest. I wasn't expecting Google's comeback this fast and this big. They are dropping new AI models and features every single week. Google's explosive growth, about that 80% surge in the last 6 months and the 12% last month. This is real momentum. Google is executing at lightning speed. New models, new features, constant innovation. The AI data center market is exploding. Google is capturing market share by offering cost-effective alternatives. Their TPUs deliver better performance per dollar for specific tasks. Big problem about Google was also people asking ChatGPT and other AIs, not Google search. That thing is also changing because Google is adding new AI features every day. I believe some people still ask their questions to ChatGPT, not to the Google search. But Google is pacing up with every AI-related product. TPUs versus GPUs. Here's where it gets interesting. Do you remember the Bitcoin mining hype? People were mining Bitcoin first with CPUs, then they switched to GPUs, and then eventually they moved to ASICs, specialized chips built for one thing only. ASICs crushed general purpose hardware because they were faster and more efficient for that specific task. That's exactly what's happening with AI chips right now. TPUs are like ASICs, purpose-built for AI inference using systolic array architecture. They do one thing incredibly well and they are cheaper to run. GPUs are like the general-purpose miners. They can do everything, which makes them way more flexible to work with compared to TPUs. And that flexibility, that's NVIDIA's secret weapon. Why NVIDIA still dominates? Here is what most people miss. NVIDIA has the best business network in tech. We are talking about the biggest tech feudals literally begging Jensen Huang to sell them more GPUs. Why? Because of CUDA. Most softwares, programs, and code still need CUDA, which only works with NVIDIA GPUs. This is a massive lock-in. NVIDIA being way bigger than GPU competitors tell you how important CUDA is. There were already competitors in the GPU market, right? But CUDA created an ecosystem that's nearly impossible to escape. Plus, GPUs are flexible. You can train models, run inference, do graphics, scientific computing, and everything. For cutting-edge research and the most complex problems, NVIDIA is still the only game in town. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Is AI a bubble? Yes and no. The AI hype might look like a big balloon ready to pop. And for some companies and startups, that's absolutely the case. But NVIDIA? I don't think NVIDIA is expensive at all when you look at their fundamentals. They are not just riding hype, they are selling actual hardware that powers real AI applications, generating real revenue. There's a huge difference between AI vaporware and AI infrastructure. NVIDIA is infrastructure. Here is what I see for 2026. Chips like TPUs will grab more percent of the inference market as efficiency becomes critical. Secondly, NVIDIA maintains dominance in training and complex workloads where flexibility and raw power matter. Thirdly, CUDA's ecosystem keeps NVIDIA's most strong, but it will slowly erode from 90% to maybe 70%. Both companies win because this market is growing. and it's growing huge. There's room for multiple champions. The real losers will be the AI startups without real products when parts of the bubble do pop. Bottom line, I'm holding both. NVIDIA for the ecosystem and flexibility, and Google for the efficiency. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions so I can make a video about it. If this video helped you, like the video, and here's another one you might find interesting.